All right, so we are about to build the toe kicks for the bottom cabinet because we're using upper cabinets for the lower cabinets, so we can get a very narrow 12-inch kind of buffet style area in the butler's pantry. So that's what we're working on now. We got my buddy Jason over here. Hey, what's up? Hey. So anyway, we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna start setting the lower cabinets and hopefully get this knocked out quick. Well, guys, we are setting the kitchen cabinets this morning, and we kind of unboxed some stuff. We're getting ready to drill the sink base and just kind of laying everything out. This is a very open concept floor plan, so a lot of the cabinets are actually in the butler's pantry, which you saw yesterday us place the base cabinet. So Jan and I are knocking this out this morning, and we're waiting for the rest of the family to get here, and they're gonna help out with the upper cabinets. We've got a little trick. Usually we install upper cabinets first, then lower cabinets. This was kind of a tricky install for us because we needed to make sure we had enough room for everything, and so we decided to go ahead and do the base cabinets first. We'll then build a kind of a little spacer shelf that we're gonna sit up on top of the cabinets. That way we can rest the upper cabinets on top of that. They'll be at the right height. That takes all the stress and the difficulty out of holding those cabinets up, because it is gonna be a little bit stressful. So anyway, we're gonna get started on that. Here we go, we're gonna start drilling out the sink base. It just goes to show you that when you have a team that comes together, anything is possible. And it sure made it a lot easier with these guys here helping out. Okay guys, well, we got all of the cabinets in the butler pantry done. Looks good. It wasn't without a lot of struggles. We had a couple cabinets that came in damaged where we had to literally clamp them and re-glue them and rebuild them. Anyway, we got it going. The face looks good. We did have a couple scratches in the face finish, but we're going to get with American Woodmark, and they are saying that they will give us new doors if we need them, free of charge. So we're going to take advantage of that. But as far as the cabinets that are any kind of damage or whatever to the boxes, I've already done the labor. So hopefully they'll give us a little bit of compensation for the labor I had to put in to make the boxes correct. But I'm going to jump out of the camera, I'm going to spin around and let you see what we did. We've got a trash can cabinet right there, which is really nice. As you can see, what we did is we took upper cabinets and we built a toe kick on the bottom. That allowed us to get a narrow cabinet here. This is a butler's pantry, so we don't need a full depth. 13 inches is what that countertop is going to be. So everything on the left here is going to be more food related. Everything on the right here is going to be more utilitarian, laundry related, maybe linens on the right hand side. So and straight ahead in that cavity you see there, that's where our spiral staircase is going to go. Anyway, hope you can get a sense of it, and we will see you again soon.